In 2019, this was the largest hospital project ever to be awarded in British Columbia. If you live in the Lower Mainland and you have a critical issue in your life, you would be treated at this hospital on the day that it opens in 2026.
Royal Columbian is recognized as one of the best in the country. Their facility was built in 1972 and needed an upgrading, needed new technology and more space for more patients.
We had to demolish that building, but make sure that there was minimum disruption to the functioning of the hospital.
We've had the pleasure of working with EllisDon. It's one of the premier design builders in Canada. The Salas O'Brien team did the mechanical services for the building, did the electrical services, did the lighting design, all of the low voltage systems, as well as the integration of all those systems.
Construction started very early on in the design process, and as a result, our design had to stay ahead of the concrete pour. Even before we were able to complete our design, we had to leave spaces in the building in order to make sure that they could be installed at a later date.
Salas O'Brien went out of their way to ensure that we got the information that we needed in such a manner that we were able to limit the impact on schedule and on the budget.
We work very closely together. We have very qualified staff that have done this before. That is what sets Salas O'Brien apart.
The thing that I've really enjoyed about Salas O'Brien is that they're fully accessible. Like anytime I had an issue, they always picked up my calls. They always came with a solution. Without Salas O'Brien's help, we wouldn't have been successful.